This is the high precision digital lab scale. It arrived safely all packaged up real nice here in styrofoam. The company sent me this product to check out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Inside the package you are going to get a one-sheet instruction page. It has everything you need to know to get started. It has an AC power supply with about a 3-foot long cable on it. Let's plug that in. It can run plugged into an outlet, or it can be run via a 9-volt battery behind this compartment right here. And while we're looking at the back of the scale, you can see that there is an RS-232 output. So it can be hooked up to a computer or a printer if that is something that you're going to need to do. So that's very nice. A stainless steel weighing pan, and this was covered and protected when it arrived here. You can see the bottom of it fits right in that slot right there. A 500 gram weight for calibrating the unit. And it comes with this plastic cover to prevent dust, debris, or contaminants from getting into your pan. This comes in sections, and it's really easy to put together. These pieces just kind of slide into each other and lock into place, and the cover sits right on top. And there's a nice little hole here for pulling the top off if you need to. So I'll set this off to the side for now. The scale itself is made of an ABS material. It has a maximum range of 3,000 grams with an overload alarm. And it has an accuracy of 0.01 hundredths of a gram. It has a built-in level right on the top here. I think it's really cool. And you can level the unit on any surface using the adjustable feet right here. Each of these feet are adjustable. It has a nice, easy-to-read LCD screen here, but the thing I really like about this scale is that you can measure in 13 different units. And it's easy to calibrate here, so let's calibrate it and go through the units of measurement. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure it's on grams. We're going to zero it out. We're going to hit and hold the calibrate button. And it's going to ask us what type weight we're using. We're using the 500 gram weight. I believe you can change that around if you want to, if you had a different weight. So we're going to measure this out, calibrate this out to 500 grams. There it is, it's calibrated, and you're done, and it zeroes back out. So that's pretty cool. So putting this back on the scale here, we can go through the different types of units that it has on here. So obviously it measures in grams, it measures in carats. So 500 grams would equal 2,500 carats. Measures in ounces. That's going to put us at about 17.63 ounces. Measures in troy ounces. That's going to be about 1607. There we go. Measures in pounds. We're looking at 1.102 or so. 1.10234. Perfect. Measures in the ton, maybe. I'm not sure about this one. Measures in penny weight. 500 grams is going to equal about 32150. There we go. 32151. Pretty accurate. Kilograms. We're looking at 0.5 kilograms. Yep. It measures in drams, so it's going to be 282.18 or so, right around there, 282.19. Measures in the Taiwan tail, so that's going to put us at about 13.333. Yeah, here we go. Measures in grains. So this would be good if you reload your own ammo. I like that. Newtons, it measures in newtons. Really, 500 grams would be about 4.90 or so, according to my research. And it measures in a percentage value there. So we have 100% of the weight on here, 0%, put the 500 grams back on, and we're back to 100% of the weight. So it measures in pieces, and you have a choice between 10, 20, 50, 100, or 200 pieces, or 500 pieces. So let's say that this is 500 pieces right here, 500 grams. So that's 500 pieces, we take it off, 500 pieces, pretty cool. So there you go, a high precision digital lab scale would be great for anything from the kitchen to a pharmacy, a lab, a jewelry store, maybe chemistry class at school. This would also be great for a coin shop that sells silver and gold. All kinds of uses, very accurate and very nice.